Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ghofran, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Ghofran.
Hi, Ghofran. Hello, everyone. I am so happy to be here today. I have a big smile on my face because I am thinking about a vacation.
A vacation? That sounds wonderful, Sam. I love vacations. Where are you going?
Well, I want to visit my family. They live far away, so I need to go to the airport.
Oh, the airport. That is a very exciting place, but it can be a little difficult if you don't know the words in English.
Yes, exactly. That is why I am a little nervous. The airport is big, and there are so many people and so many signs.
Don't worry, Sam. Today we can talk about the airport. We can help you, and we can help all our friends listening at home.
That is a great idea, Ghofran. I need to learn the English words for my trip.
Perfect. But wait, Sam, before we start our airport adventure,
Oh yes, I know everyone. If you like our conversations, please click the like button right now. It is a big help for us.
yes, and please subscribe to English with Ghofran. We want to make many, many more videos for you. And don't forget to share this with your friends. If you have a friend who is traveling soon, share this podcast with them. Thank you, everyone. Okay, Sam, let's start at the beginning. You are at home. You are ready to go. What is the first thing you need?
I need my clothes and my toothbrush. I put them in my big bag.
In English, we call that a suitcase.
Ah, suitcase. I have one big blue suitcase. It is very heavy, haha.
Oh no, Sam. Don't make it too heavy. And what about your small bag, the one you take on the plane with you?
I have a small backpack. Is that a suitcase too?
We usually call that carry-on luggage. You carry it onto the plane with you.
Carry-on luggage. Okay, I have my suitcase and my carry-on luggage. And I have my passport.
Yes, that is the most important thing. No passport, no vacation.
Haha, that is true. I have my passport in my pocket. And my ticket.
Yes, your ticket. Today, many people have their ticket on their phone.
Oh yes, I have it on my phone. It is a digital ticket.
Exactly. Okay, so you arrive at the airport. You go inside. It is very big. Where do you go first?
I look for the big screens, the ones with the numbers and the cities.
Yes, those are the departures screens. Departures means planes that are leaving departures.
Okay, I see my flight. It says London. It has a number, Flight 123, and it says Check-in Counter 5.
Good. So you go to the check-in counter. This is where you talk to the person from the airline.
Okay, I'm at the counter now. There is a nice lady there. What does she say?
She will say, "Hello, can I see your passport and your ticket, please?"
And I give her my passport. Then what?
Then you put your big suitcase on the machine. It is a scale. It checks how heavy the suitcase is.
Oh, I hope my blue suitcase is not too heavy. If it is 25 kilos, is that okay?
Sometimes every airline is different. If it is too heavy, you might pay more money.
Oh no, I don't want to spend more money. I want to save money for my bicycle, haha.
Remember our money episode, Sam? Okay. Then the lady asks you a very important question. She says, "Do you want a window seat or an aisle seat?"
Window or aisle? I know window. I want to look outside. I want to see the clouds.
The window seat is beautiful, but the aisle seat is the one next to the corridor. It is good if you want to walk or go to the bathroom easily.
Ah, the aisle seat. That is practical. But for this trip, I want the window.
Okay, window seat for Sam. Then she gives you a piece of paper. This is your boarding pass.
Boarding pass. This is my new ticket, right?
Yes, It has your seat number and your gate number. The gate is the door to the plane.
Okay, I have my boarding pass. I'm ready. Can I go to the plane now?
Not yet. Now you have to go through security.
Oh, security. That is the place where I have to take off my shoes. Haha.
Sometimes you have to put your carry-on luggage and your phone and your keys in a plastic bin.
Do I have to take out my laptop?
Yes, always take out your laptop and your tablet. And remember, the liquids.
The liquids. Like my water bottle?
You cannot take a big bottle of water through security, Sam. Only very small bottles, 100 milliliters or less.
Oh, I forgot. I have a big bottle of orange juice in my bag.
You have to drink it now, or throw it away.
Okay, I am drinking it fast. Okay, it is gone.
Good now. You walk through the metal detector. Beep, beep. Oh no, it is beeping. Why is it beeping? Haha, Sam, do you have coins in your pocket or a belt?
Oh, my belt. It has a metal buckle. I need to take it off.
Yes, put it in the bin now. Walk through again.
Yay! No beep. I am a conversation superhero and a security superhero.
Good job, Sam. Now you are in the departure lounge. This is the big area with shops and restaurants.
Ooh, shops. I see a shop with a sign that says duty free. What is that?
Duty-free means the shops do not have the normal taxes. Things can be a little cheaper there. People buy perfume, chocolate, and gifts. But remember your budget, Sam.
You are right, Ghofran. No chocolate today. I need to find my gate.
Good idea. Look at the big screens again. Find your flight number. It will tell you if the gate is open or if the flight is delayed.
Delayed? What does that mean?
Delayed means the plane is late. Maybe there's bad weather or a technical problem.
Oh, I hope my plane is not delayed. I want to see my family.
Let's look. Oh, look. It says Gate 10. Boarding. Boarding. That means the plane is ready.
Yes, you go to gate 10. There's a line of people. You show your boarding pass and your passport one more time. Okay, I'm at the gate. I show my papers. Now I walk down the long tunnel to the plane.
That tunnel is called the jet bridge. And then you are at the door of the plane. A flight attendant says, "Welcome on board."
Thank you, I say. Now I need to find my seat. My boarding pass says 15A.
Okay, look at the numbers above the seats. 12, 13, 14, 15, and A is usually the window seat.
I found it, 15A. It is a window seat. But Ghofran, my carry-on bag is big. Where do I put it?
You put it in the overhead bin. That is the cupboard above your head. Overhead bin.
Okay, I am putting it up there. Whew, it is heavy. Now I sit down.
Don't forget to fasten your seatbelt, Sam.
Seatbelt fastened. Click. I am ready for takeoff. Shh, the plane is going up. Wow, look at the houses. They're so small. They look like toys. It is beautiful, isn't it?
Now the flight attendant comes with a cart. She says, "Would you like something to drink? Coffee, tea, or water?"
Oh, I would like a coffee, please. With milk, no sugar.
Good English, Sam. And then you can relax. You can watch a movie or read a book.
This is a very long flight. I'm getting hungry. Do they have food?
Yes, on long flights, they serve a meal. You usually have two choices, like chicken or pasta.
I love pasta. I choose pasta.
Huh, you and your Italian food, Sam. Just like our dinner at Luigi's.
It's true. I am simple. I like pasta and I like pizza.
Okay, so you eat your pasta, you watch a movie, and then you arrive. The plane lands. Bump, bump. We are on the ground. Now you have to go through immigration or passport control.
Is that like security?
A little. An officer looks at your passport. He might ask you a question like, "What is the purpose of your visit?"
Purpose of my visit. What do I say?
You can say, "I am here on vacation," or "I am visiting my family."
I am visiting my family. That is easy. Then, he stamps your passport and says, "Welcome." Yay! I am in the country! But wait, where is my big blue suitcase?
You need to go to baggage claim.
Baggage claim? Is that the place with the moving belt?
Yes, it is. A carousel. You wait for your bag to come out.
I see a black bag, a red bag. Oh, there's my big blue suitcase.
Go and grab it now. You have everything. You go through the exit and you are finished.
Wow, Ghofran, that was a big adventure. I feel much better now. I know the words.
I am so happy, Sam. Let's think about the words we used.
Yes, we talked about the suitcase and the carry-on luggage and the check-in counter where you get your boarding pass. We went through security. I remember the metal detector and the bins and the liquids. No big bottles, Sam. No big bottles.
Then we went to the gate for boarding. You sat in your window seat and fastened your seatbelt.
And I put my bag in the overhead bin. Then we arrived and went to baggage claim for the suitcase. It is not so scary when we talk about it.
No, it is not. It's just a routine, a daily routine for the airport.
Thank you, Ghofran. I feel ready for my trip now. I am going to practice these words tonight.
That is a great idea. Practice is very important. Well, everyone, we hope you learned some useful words today.
Yes, if you are traveling soon, we wish you a very happy and safe flight.
And please, tell us in the comments, where do you want to travel?
Oh, I love that question. Tell us your dream vacation in English. We love reading your comments. They make us very happy.
And don't forget to subscribe to English with Ghofran and like this video. Share it with your family too. Maybe you can travel together. That would be fun. Well, Sam, I think it is time for us to go.
Yes, I need to go home and check my suitcase. I hope it is not too heavy.
Good luck with that, Sam.
Thanks, Ghofran. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you in the next episode. Bye.